Hello there, my name is Donovan Morris. I'm doing my project on life below water. So my identified targets are 14.4 and 14.5. 14.4 is effective regulating, harvesting, and ending overfishing, illegal, unreported overfishing, and destructive fishing practices, and implement science-based management plans in order to restore fish stocks in the shortest time feasible. And 14.5 is by 2020, conserve at least 10% of coastal and marine areas, and consistent with national and international law and based on the best available scientific information. And the goal is the coverage of protected areas in relation to marine areas. So my target data, um, I deleted columns K, N, and P because they had no data in them. Um, this data includes the source, where the fisheries are, what country they were in, the date, and their reporting type. And it also describes if the area is protected or non-protected. So in my what if function, I did a count if function to see the number of fisheries that are in the United States. And after I did the formula, you can see I did the range and then comma, quotation mark, United States of America, quotation mark. And it gave me that there are 28 fisheries in the United States. For my conditional formatting, uh, I highlighted everything greater than the year 2010, and I did this to see which ones are the most current and most relevant. And I highlighted them in red just so I can, um, so people can visually see it easier. For my visual aid, I did the country and then I did the time period that each one was made. And I did this to show which country made the fisheries the uh, most recent. And so there you can see there's the lines of each of the country and when each fishery was made. And for my formatted table, uh, here it is. I did 14.4.1 and all blank rows were deleted or hidden, and just to organize some of the data. My reference.